Hello, today we are looking at Module 12, which is going to ask you to look inward at yourself as a writer, at your process, and then to reflect on that in writing. So I'm going to share the screen with you so that we can take a look at the assignment. And as it's been all semester, if it seems as if I disappear or the screen freezes, don't worry about it. I'll be back. I'm working on sharing the screen with you. All right, so you should be looking at the Module 12 writing self-analysis final exam. Oh, oops, look at that. It says Module 14. That's something that obviously I need to edit. You don't really need to be here for that, but what are we going to do? Okay, so now it's going to say Module 12 learning outcomes. Great. So Module 12 is going to ask you to do this self-analysis or reflection paper. And I'm going to open that up and we'll take a look at it together. Essentially, it asks you to do this. Think over this past semester, writing this paper, and answer the following questions in a paper that is 2 to 3 pages long, no less than 2 pages. You can still format it exactly as you have been. So yes, double spaced is fine. Now you are going to submit this under assignments. So keep that in mind as well. We'll go back and I'll try to remember to say that again. So you're going back into your own process and your own experience of the semester. In this paper, now you get to use I. I've been telling you all semester, don't use I. Now you can, because different writing situations call for different strategies. So reflect on your research process. What did you learn to do differently about research? What was most useful to you? What would you do differently next time? Reflect on your organization. How did your strategy of note-taking and outlining work for you? How did you tweak the strategies presented in class or one you used previously? What would you do differently next time? The goal here is for you to develop an organization strategy that works for you rather than works against you. So now's a good time to take note of that and figure out what you might do differently. Reflect on how you drafted the paper. What was your method for drafting and how did it work for you? What would you do differently next time? Reflect on the entire process. What other skills or information did you learn or develop that was useful to you? What other things would you do differently other than those already discussed? So you don't need to go back into these ones. Consider any specific struggles you have with writing. Did they improve? If so, how? If not, what do you plan to do to improve? So this is all about backward and forward, thinking into what you've just experienced and taking that and thinking about what you will do in the future to make that better. And when you have completed this assignment, you will submit it under assignments. As always, if you have any questions, email me and I'll try to answer those for you. Otherwise, that's it for now. Take care.